During the machining process, it's difficult to detect tool wear, chipping, breakage, and shut down in time to prevent further losses. What does it mean for tool abnormality? It will lead to downtime, scrap, soaring costs. Traditional tool management relies on manual experience. Unable to monitor in real time, hidden costs devour corporate profits. SIGER Tooling Monitoring System. Through decades of precision machining, industrial data model accumulation, and industrial Internet of Things, realize intelligent management of tool life cycle. Millisecond level response. 100% capture of 8 major processing abnormal fluctuations. AI algorithm predicts remaining life. 100% recognition rate of tool chipping and breakage. SIGER Tooling Monitoring System. Equipped with tool life self-learning function. On-site operation is simple and convenient.
In the past, we had to deal with broken tools passively every day. Now the system warns us 2 hours in advance. No more production interruptions due to tool problems. SIGER Tooling Monitoring System. Turn cutting tools from consumables into controllable assets.
SIGER TMS is widely used in various application scenarios such as Swiss-type lattice, vertical milling machines, horizontal milling machines, and gantry mills. Start the era of zero tool accidents now. Scan the QR code to get exclusive solutions.